the CalFresh Family Kitchen, where we make simple and healthy recipes as a family. Today we're gonna dive into the ocean of flavors.
Yes, Chap. We're preparing a tasty shrimp ceviche. We make it at least once a week.
I'm Victoria and this is my mom Marissa. Let's dive into the ingredients you'll need. Cooked shrimp, cilantro, tomato, red onions, cucumber, lime juice, corn tostadas, salt to taste, and avocado as an optional topping.
Let's get started. We're gonna start chopping the pre-cooked shrimp to a large mixing bowl. We're doing with pre-cooked shrimp to make it quick and easy.
We're gonna add the shrimp in the large bowl. Now let's get chopping the other ingredients. My mom's going to do that part. Into our bowl goes red onions, tomatoes.
Are you hungry, Victoria? And we're gonna chop it up and we're gonna take out the seeds.
Cucumbers and freshly chopped cilantro. We're gonna put some lime to taste.
Kids learn by watching you. Be a role model by eating fruit and vegetables yourself. Okay, now you're gonna help me mix it. We're gonna mix it up.
Yeah.
We're gonna also add salt to taste.
Salt to taste. This is going to be the colorful heart of our dish. Mix it well. We're gonna the ceviche on the tostada. You can add avocado on top if you like. It's your choice.
And there you have it, a simple yet flavorful dish to enjoy with family and friends. Let's try it.
It's very good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we do.
Adios, familia!